we know which simple kitchen spices you can use to help the crap be easier every day. And I'll share the recipe with you. But first, the backstory. One pregnancy, giving a crap became difficult. I remembered that Dr. Christopher had a formula for better crap in his book, Herbal Home Healthcare. But not all of the herbs listed were safe to use during pregnancy, and some of them were very expensive. That left exactly 4 ingredients that were cheap, safe, and easy to find in my kitchen cupboard. Cayenne, ginger, and fennel can be found in any grocery store spice section. And red raspberry leaves, if you don't have a patch in your backyard, you can usually find them in the tea section of your grocery store, and they will come in little bags like this. If you're going to order anything, I recommend you order Cascara Sagrada bark. It's not very expensive at only $10 a bag. So what does my family do with these herbs? Well, first, everything needs to be in a powder, and fennel seed, since it's so chunky, needs to be blended up. The best way to assemble herb recipes is to do it by weight, but sometimes to be fast and to be easy, I will just do it by volume. So you can see here that I'm going to use 1 tablespoon for each of these spices. The raspberry leaves also need to be blended up until they're a powder. Or if you're using tea bags, just cut that sucker open and note that it takes about 4 tea bags to fill up a tablespoon. And here goes my bonus ingredient, Cascara Sagrada. This is really going to give this recipe an extra kick. Now shake those 5 ingredients up, or 4, whatever you've got. Now how do we take this powder? More particularly, how do we get kids to take this powder? A couple of options would be to load it into gel caps, or what I'm going to show you today is how I put a dose into a spoonful of applesauce. This is my homemade applesauce. I'm going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon. Use a little less if working with small kids, a little bit more if you're working with an adult. This way I will be able to get that cayenne pepper down without it being a problem. I hope you utilize the spices in your kitchen cupboard soon, because I care about your crap, and I hope it's a good one.